Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to change Twitter or X display name. So if you want to change your display name and you want to post on Twitter, then lots of people don't want to provide their identity to people, or they want to change their display name. So this video is absolutely for you. You have to just simply don't worry about it and simply follow me. Simply click on the top left corner of your profile. So after clicking on your profile, you have to just simply click on your profile. So here is the your profile is open. You guys will be able to see that here is the your display name, which is Muhammad Anas, and I want to change my display name. So for that you have to simply click on the edit profile on this. So after clicking on this edit profile, your profile will be open. Then here is the display name of the first. You have to just simply click on this box and simply remove the name and simply add the new name which you want to display. So I'm just selecting the name and simply click on the top right corner of save button to save the video, and you guys will be able to say that your display name of the Twitter or X has been changed. So I hope this method find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.